MAD Dune. Oh, this cab is nice.
Oh, it's shaking.
Me too. Look at this cab.
I know. It's beautiful. Oops. I think we're locked.
P1. One. Whoa.
There's some other way.
Wait, can I push 5?
Yep.
First floor. Going down.
Going down.
Try it.
Going up.
There it goes. Oh, I like the acceleration on these ones too. Okay. I'm gonna set it down.
Fifth floor. Going down.
What buttons are these?
MAD Dune.
Interesting.
This is a ThyssenKrupp mod.
Looks like a generic indicator.
They didn't do anything special with it. A permit down here. Wanna switch? Low key.
First floor.
Did they shift indicator? Yeah, I totally did.
Oh, get us order that. Oh, what the heck? The doors don't open all the way. Look at that.
Whoa. That is really odd. Can't even see the indicator. Send it down.
You got it. Coming down. Coming to 1.
Are you back to second? अरे हाँ कल बात कर रहे थे कल मैं और ये गए थे वहाँ went to इठान
आज कहाँ है ना
जो खाए उस समय
वहीं चलो एक तो वहाँ go
Look at this layout. The doors don't even open all the way.
But they open up all the way on the outside, don't they?
Yeah, but this side's... Oh, what the heck? I don't know what's going on here. Alright. That's gonna be it for mine.